Hello, and thank you for watching my video CB. My name is Ronilito Campilan, and I am applying for the position of maintenance manager. With 5 years of hands-on experience in the field, I have honed my skills in managing complex facilities operations, ensuring seamless functionality, safety, and efficiency. My current role mirrors the responsibilities of a maintenance manager, and I've successfully led projects ranging from large scale maintenance works to sustainability initiatives. And I've successfully led projects ranging from large scale maintenance work to implementing sustainability initiatives, all while maintaining compliance with health and safety standards. I am adept at coordinating with diverse teams, managing budgets, and optimizing operational procedures. To further solidify my expertise, I am pursuing a diploma in facilities management at Massey University. This education is equipping me with the latest in industry practices and theoretical foundations, enriching my practical experience with advanced knowledge. I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to bring my blend of experience, education, and commitment to your company. I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team and to support the organization's objectives. Thank you for your time. God bless.